Alright, y'all, what's going on? You know, this is another vlog today, Simply D. Checking in, figure out you head to the gym with Alpha Jackson. Oh hell. Oh, my camera dropped. Shit. My camera just dropped. Oh, that's cool though. But you know, we gonna get things going today. Got a little gym workout, probably a little upper body, a little lower body. Who knows? We'll see. What's going on, people? About to get ready to head to the gym. Of course, I'm with Jac Strong. What's up? You know what I'm saying? Another episode of Simply D going live. Catch y'all boys at the gym. Oh, Jac Strong over here getting embarrassed and shit.
Man, I ain't getting embarrassed now. Ain't nobody embarrassing me.
He's gonna get embarrassed when he sees 325 bench press. That's what he's embarrassed about.
That's what I gotta say about that.
He always, you know, you always got haters, man. Yeah, Piety Fitness, let's get it. Hey, y'all, what it do, man? We just got done in the gym. Set a new PR today, 330 max. Yeah, I told you it was coming soon. 340, a couple of weeks. Jac Strong just set his new PR today, 295.
Yeah.
Straight power in this thing, power.
Beast mode, yeah.
Man, embrace the underdog coming soon, man.
Yes, sir. We about to, hey, this summer, man. Y'all better stay tuned, cause we got some hot shit coming out, some fire shit. Okay, all right. We about like vlogging, fucking lifting videos, all kinds of motivational, awesome lifting shit.
T-shirts coming soon.
Yeah, T-shirts. Stay tuned for our new channel that's gonna be coming soon too. Beast of the Jungle Fitness. All right. So, like I said, just stay tuned, folks. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, folks. The link's gonna be in the video whenever this get posted up. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out my videos. I got some good videos up for you guys. You guys interested in watching those, go and check those out. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my boy Simply D, man.
Chicken tacos. You know, I'm in the kitchen chefing it up. Always, man. I'm a decent little cook, you know. Got the ground turkey about to ready to get prepped. Ready for the tacos tonight. Burrito taco night. Try to do something special for the wife. You know what I'm saying? I just got done working out in the workout attire. Grind real. Then I gotta go finish my work paper. School paper on deck, man. Get the education, y'all. Cooking the ground turkey. Look at that, boy. Screwing it up, boy. Damn it.
You gonna do something?
No, nature calls. A nature vlog out here in Inglewood, right here where the waterfall is. I'm looking down, y'all, because going down this big ass hill. Whew. Don't want to fall. All these damn spider webs. Y'all getting your boy into nature today. On the nature walk. Whew. Some things I just enjoy in life and culture.
I'll catch you later.
So I'm at the end of my blog. Gonna walk over 3.5 miles in the forest today. It's a long little walk. Whew, I'm tired. About to go home. You know what? I'll probably head to the gym. Get some more exercise in, get some left in today. Until the next time, y'all, keep it simple.